On behalf of the community, I'm here to say words of welcome. We welcome you into this special dinner, dinner of celebrating your 90th birthday. So we thank you so much for your presence this evening, and we hope that you will accept what we provide here in the community to celebrate your birthday. Secondly, I'll ask the community to firstly sing the birthday song to the birthday girl. Just someone let you that after sing.